Hey guys, what is up? Aaron from Vigilante Motors, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to safely jump your vehicle or jump a vehicle, and a quick tip on how to never forget the order on which the procedure goes. Is it black? Is it red? Which vehicle first? I got a tip for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Because we don't jump our cars every week, every month, hopefully not even every year, it can get confusing when you finally go to jump your vehicle and you're like, what order does it go in? I don't know what I'm doing. Red where, black where, I can't remember. So a quick tip is to label your jump leads. So the first step, there's 4 steps. This is step 1, it goes on the positive and I have it as dead. So the positive, step 1, dead battery. We go to the second step, step number 2, positive. Step 2, live battery. Step number 3, negative, and I know that this stays on the live battery. And step number 4, negative into a ground on the dead battery. So labeling your jump leads is a really good way so that you know steps 1, 2, 3, 4 and where they go on the terminals. Now let's get into actually doing it. Step 1, make sure your vehicles are lined up so it's conducive for jumping. Here is the battery on the live vehicle. There is a battery on the dead vehicle, and make sure that the live vehicle, the vehicle is off. You do not want it running before you put anything on the batteries. Now that we're ready to go, you want to take the lead that you labeled number 1 and put it on the positive terminal of the dead battery, red dead. Next, you want to take the lead that you labeled number 2 and put it on the positive terminal of the live battery. After that, we want to take the lead that we labeled number 3 and put it on the negative terminal of the live battery. Now, every battery is going to be labeled positive and negative, but usually it's indicated by black wires and red wires. Match black with black and red with red. And the last cable, lead number 4 that we labeled number 4, has to be grounded. Now, you want to find a non-painted surface and connect that. This will help with not shorting anything out. Once you guys have everything connected and everything looks like it's ready to go, you want to get into the vehicle that's running, obviously, and you want to start it up. Now, it could take anywhere from 30 seconds to a couple of minutes to charge the dead battery in the vehicle. So don't be impatient. It's not going to happen right away all the time. Give it a minute or 2, and then let's see if that one starts up. All right, guys, so the donor vehicle has been on for about a minute now, been pumping juice, hopefully into the battery here, and hopefully we can get this started. Let's see. Yeah, got it running. All right, good. See, so sometimes it can take 20 seconds, sometimes it take a minute or 2 to get that juice back over into your battery. Your vehicle is running now, and that is awesome, but there is a process on how to take them off. It's the exact opposite order of how we put them on. Starting off with the ground, you want to release that first, followed by what we labeled lead number 3 on the donor vehicle, the black negative jump lead. That is the next one that comes off, followed by lead number 2, the red positive on the donor vehicle, and lastly, lead number 1, the red positive on the vehicle that was previously dead. And that is it, guys. It is honestly that simple to jump a vehicle, really not that difficult at all. And if you use the trick that I showed you where you label your jump leads, in 2 years from now, when you grab those suckers, and you're like, wait a second, which order do I go and what, I don't remember. Well, they're already labeled for you. It makes it that much easier. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. Guys, subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it, trying to grow it. I know with your help that I can. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. I will gladly answer anything you might ask. This is Aaron. I am Vigilante Motors. Until next time, y'all. Peace.